Let's plan our work for today. Let's plan our work for today. Use this when organizing your daily tasks. I'll finish this task before lunch. I'll finish this task before lunch. Use this when giving a timeline for your work. We need to meet today's deadline. We need to meet today's deadline. Use this when reminding your team about an important deadline. I'll start with the highest priority. I'll start with the highest priority. Use this when explaining how you'll organize your work. Let's focus on the most important tasks. Let's focus on the most important tasks. Use this when helping your team prioritize. I completed the task on time. I completed the task on time. Use this when updating your manager about your progress. We're ahead of schedule. We're ahead of schedule. Use this when the project is progressing faster than planned. We need a little more time. We need a little more time. Use this when requesting extra time to complete a task. I'll send the report this afternoon. I'll send the report this afternoon. Use this when informing someone when they'll receive the report. Let's avoid unnecessary delays. Let's avoid unnecessary delays. Use this when encouraging efficient work. I'll finish the remaining tasks tomorrow. I'll finish the remaining tasks tomorrow. Use this when updating your work plan. Time management is very important. Time management is very important. Use this when discussing productivity. Let's keep the meeting short. Let's keep the meeting short. Use this when you want to save time during a meeting. I'll complete this as soon as possible. I'll complete this as soon as possible. Use this when promising to finish a task quickly. We should use our time wisely. We should use our time wisely. Use this when encouraging better productivity. I need to organize my workload. I need to organize my workload. Use this when planning multiple tasks. The project is progressing smoothly. The project is progressing smoothly. Use this when giving a positive project update. Let's stay focused on today's goals. Let's stay focused on today's goals. Use this when motivating your team. I'll update you once it's finished. I'll update you once it's finished. Use this when promising to provide a status update. We completed everything on schedule. We completed everything on schedule. Use this when reporting successful completion of planned work. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. Use this when someone has been waiting for your work. I appreciate your understanding. I appreciate your understanding. Use this when thanking someone for their flexibility. Let's prepare for tomorrow's meeting. Let's prepare for tomorrow's meeting. Use this when planning ahead. Great job, everyone. Great job, everyone. Use this when congratulating your team after completing work. Have a productive day. Have a productive day. Use this when ending a meeting or conversation professionally.